Tree Felling Noosa. Looking for professional tree care in Noosa? Sunshine Coast Tree Lopping Caloundra provides reliable services tailored to your needs. Our skilled arborists handle everything from safe tree lopping to precise tree felling, ensuring your landscape stays well maintained. For those dealing with unwanted stumps, our efficient tree stump removal service keeps your property clean and hazard-free. We also specialize in general tree services, offering solutions for tree health, maintenance, and safe removal. Reach out today to experience quality tree care in Noosa.